Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by restarting your PC and pressing Delete to enter the MSI BIOS. Use F7 to switch from Easy Mode to Advanced Mode for full settings access. Locate the Boot tab and disable CSM to allow UEFI-only boot operations. Change OS type to Windows UEFI so the firmware manages keys correctly. Find Secure Boot and set it to Enabled, then save changes and exit the BIOS to reboot into Windows. After BIOS changes, update your MSI firmware to the latest stable BIOS build from MSI support. Use MSI Live Update or download the BIOS file and flash carefully following instructions. Boot into Windows and run msinfo32 to check secure boot state. Confirm it reads on, and verify that system type reports UEFI. If Windows is in legacy mode, migrate or reinstall Windows in UEFI mode to ensure compatibility with Vanguard and Secure Boot requirements. If Secure Boot was changed while Vanguard was installed, repair or reinstall Riot Vanguard now. Open Programs and Features to uninstall Vanguard, or use Command Line to stop and remove its service before reinstalling. Launch the Valorant installer, which will reinstall Vanguard automatically. Reboot after installation, then start Valorant and confirm no secure boot errors appear. Join a practice match to verify anti-cheat functionality and ensure stable gameplay after these firmware and software fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.